stunning on that zine. Yeah.
So you don't, how does the chopper look when it's all put together?
I think it's orange.
Yeah? So it's like a private chopper's for sale?
I don't know if it's gonna be
or somebody ordered it, special order?
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
But it's orange, so I'm thinking, oh, was it the Coast Guard? But there's no water out here.
Well, you know, they bring it here and then they fly where it's going.
Right.
Yeah. They still got to put it together, I'm imagining.
And then they have all the riggers here, you know what I mean, already.
Yeah, yeah. So. Huh? They're going to let us know right now. So we just put the hook. No pesa nada, güey.
Oh, no?
Nah, pesa like 7,000 pounds.
Oh,
okay. Yeah.
I've been seeing it on the internet,
Uh-huh.
and man, can't afford that. Like, you lower it a little. So, dude. Because they can't.
I was saying, make sure it's on the ledge. It's on the ledge over here. You got 3 or 4 inches? Yeah. So like if I took my pecker and measured it.
Is it? Okay.
I'm just saying. That's not on your YouTube shit, is it? Take
No,
take that off your YouTube shit.
I edit everything.
Yeah. It is. I like that.
Even though there's a lot of cussing on there.
I'm Leo though.
I'm Javier.
Javier, nice to meet you,
Javier.
man.
Juanito.
Juanito. Juan.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
It's good. I like that.
So it's orange. They said it's orange. So do you guys get these like with chrome right here? Do you guys no? So there's no pimp my helicopter out?
Well, you can, but at night you can't have reflection shit as it goes up into there. So that's why this isn't even normally this stuff is flat black instead of gloss.
Oh, okay.
Even for that.
Because of that. Oh, okay.
Because you got you can't see it, but there'll end up being a strobe light under here.
Yeah.
And another one on top.
Yeah.
And that shit flash, and even with gloss paint comes up because that's all glass, and you sit right there.
Oh, okay,
You just
okay,
don't
okay.
want the reflection shit, you know.
So there you go, guys. There's no pimp my helicopter. No chrome.
Black shit.
Oh, okay.
So I bought a private one, and I was going to go buy a commercial one, but I didn't have the money.
Hey, Daniel.
This is a stretchable trailer.
This one?
Se hace largo.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I see. I want to say that I don't know this. So, but it's a special platform, right? To all these?
I guess así se lo traen, güey. With just those straps from overseas.
7 acres. It wasn't bad. But I have so much going on right now. I can't do another. I'd love to. And it'd be about 50 grand right now. So.
So where they going to want it at?
It's going to go on here. So
Okay.
you bag it here and just rotate over to here.
Okay.
That's my thought. You set up and do what you want to do. But I'll get that done right now. I'll move my truck backwards when you go around.
If they want it here, they should have put more closer, and I could have just lifted and stretched out. I could have got on the other side. It's too late now.
We can't be on that side.
No?
No.
Okay.
But he should have came closer.
Yeah. Because
But you got enough reach and it's so light.
Yeah. But the thing is that the building, if I rotate it, it's going to end up.
No, I personally think, and this is my thought process, if you come into right here and you blow out right here, I truly believe that you'll get it at an angle and then you'll come up with it.
Okay.
And then you'll drop it right here.
Okay.
That's my thought.
And they'll be able to tie some rope to it, right?
Yes, sir.
So they can
Guide it
swing
with yes.
Guide
The biggest problem you're going to have to do is when you pick up, we got to make sure your cable's a little bit that way so it pushes away from here versus swinging into here. I'd hate to buy the nose.
Yeah. Right. So, do they bring it in this, or does it have a cover?
No,
or
this is how this one came in.
This is how they bring it. Okay.
We do other ones that they shove them inside the bin, and I got to winch them out of the bin onto the tow truck.
Yeah.
And then rotate
The other
them
one
off
that I
the
did
tow
was
truck.
already on the lowboy. It wasn't on this.
Oh, gotcha.
It was brand new. It was like wrapped too.
Right.
But it was on a lowboy.
But it was probably either a bell or something like that. Was shipped from
locally.
Manufactured.
Yeah.
But it could have been out of Canada or something like that. This came from China.
Yeah.
So it has to come from a boat. Let me see if I can get you set up.
Trying to figure out what to do because this stuff is all nailed down, and I almost want to get the blade boxes off first.
We got a forklift, and we just all you gotta do is knock these off with a sledgehammer. He's got a sledgehammer.
Yeah, I got a sledgehammer.
Do you? Will those just knock off?
Yeah, these will
Yeah, they'll come right off. But if we're gonna be banging, you might want to strap this thing down again.
You what?
If you're gonna be hitting, you might want to strap this down again so it doesn't move. You know, or you don't think so? Okay.
This is 3,500 pounds.
Okay.
It's not gonna go too far.
All right. So I get my little hammer.
Yeah.
Knock them all down.
Yeah, that's what we need to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me get my hammer. Let me get it. ¿Qué quieren hacer primero?
Knock the thing down.
¿Es lo que dijo?
Yeah. I'm guessing, right?
Hey, it's not muddy. It hasn't rained in
So knock them out, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Just knock it and then I'll lift it with the.
Got a knife.
Huh?
Got a knife.
No, not all. You have a knife on you, Juanito?
Yeah.
this side? Yeah, all clear. I know, it's so much easier.
Yeah.
No, pónselos a.
This side.
He's got a sharp knife too. It's cool.
You got it? Just throw them in the back of the truck. Here. Stop. There's a nail right there. Hammer the nail down.
Imagine this kind of money to buy one like this.
I know, right? I wonder what they paid for it.
All I know is the other one's up for sale for 3.2 right now.
Yeah, they're making some good
All I
money.
know. Yeah.
And they sell.
Yes.
And people buy them.
Yes.
Yeah.
These are people that don't care.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to just get the outside ones.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why?
Get the outside ones because the inside you don't need to.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
right.
you just lift up a little and back up.
Okay.
If we have to, but to get them off the machine, we could grab them.
Yeah.
I think what I'll do is I'll go one post over. I'll try to lift it up and see where it's going to balance, and maybe we can just kind of walk it off. I'll get this thing, the hydraulic steering sucks, but if I can walk it off far enough back here, we set it down and shove it.
I understand.
What do you think?
I like it. You got a plan.
Just
You got a
the
plan.
forks on the way out. You get more stability.
That one only moves so much.
This thing's older than that.
It still runs.
Yeah, it's only 25.
It's getting the job done.
They should move.
Oh, thank you.
Now I'm stuck.
Yeah, now we got a problem.
Yeah, we got an issue.
Yes, we do.
No abre?
Yeah, we can just slide them up.
Oh, pull him.
Yeah, I told them, buddy.
Hold on. No.
Oh, it's
This
got
side
that.
only, and
Yeah.
only has an inch left.
Yeah, okay.
You gotta move that.
You gotta
thing
cut
back.
those off.
You know, I was trying to see if it'll work.
Yeah, try it. See what it does. It don't look like it's heavy.
Nah, yeah, you do that. You all right. Yeah, right here. That's another question.
You just-
doing the center right there. That's the center.
You just can't go, because there's 3 boxes.
Right there.
Right there.
Right there.
You good?
Yeah, go.
Go up and tilt back.
No.
No. Back up a little bit.
Because you're gonna grab the other box if you do that. Tilt.
Am I on one box or both?
No, you're slide it.
I got a question. Can't we grab the other box too?
You might be
Back
able
up a
to,
little bit.
but it's because that thing's in the way. This thing don't weigh nothing.
Okay, got it.
I'm looking at you right now.
Where's the front of the forks? Are they completely over?
Yes, you're good.
Go in a little bit more.
Right there.
Right there.
Right there.
Now tilt that.
Are we clear?
You're good.
Over here. Can you slide them that way?
Back up. You're good. I'm gonna tell you right now, you're good. Because this don't weigh nothing. I'm looking at it.
How much fork do I know?
Just hold it from that side. Right there. Just get it down. Keep going. Okay, now go down. All right.
I gotta be able to get out of here.
Look, just swing it up this way.
Yeah, easy on something that hydraulics works.
Oh.
What do you want to do? You want to bring it in this one? Fork's good?
Right there. I can't get it. It won't move. It's heavier. It's heavier on that side.
You good?
Yeah, come on in. Back up a little bit. Right there.
You good?
Yeah,
You
go
gonna
up.
come up?
Go up. Tilt back.
We're just sliding. No, you're good here. Just slide it. Right there.
But then I got myself to blame. You want me to just set this next to that?
Go down. Yeah, you can just push it. I think we can. No. Está pesadillo. Those guys are a little bit too excited. I think it's their chopper. Oh, okay. Because they look very excited. Yeah.
They're not all fucked up.
Yeah. No. This way. You gotta get it from here.
Get it on this side right here.
Yes, right in the center. Back up.
Right in that box. Right here.
All right.
Go up a little bit.
Okay. Okay. Right there. Not too much because we gotta put it on top of the other one, right?
We're just gonna put it next to it.
On the floor? Okay.
Are we good?
Yeah.
More or not?
Yeah, going more. Tilt. Right there. Tilt.
Good?
Yeah, back up. Okay, go down.
One more down or?
Go down. Tilt. Go.
In?
Go down. Right there. Go in. No. Pick it up. Right there. No. Go down. Okay, just go. Go. Oh, back up. Okay, now turn all the way. Now turn all the way. Or push that one though. Just push it. Hold on. Just go. Now go. Push it in. Just go. Go. You're good.
I ain't doing that bad.
What is that?
As long as I didn't puncture nothing, I'm all right.
No, you're good. It's on the ground.
Right, boss? I don't want to puncture no box. Hell no. Thanks, guys.
So me pongo aquí.
I figure if I could fly this shit, I could drive this a little bit.
So I'm gonna put my tail right here.
Right here?
Right here. My underlip tiene que quedar aquí. Okay? This is where you want my underlift.
Yeah.
My underlip right here.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna just boom out that way.
Okay.
Okay?
You're gonna back up right here.
Yeah. So I'm gonna back up right here, stop my boom right there. My underlift. Right there where your foot is at. Actually, I'm gonna run into you. No. Yeah, I know. Ahí está dentro. That's all. I don't put them on.
You're going to take the snatch blocks off those, right?
Yes. So you got that. All right, there we go. They're heavy though. I've been wanting to take them off. I just lifted a car and I was like, I ain't taking these off. I did it with the snatch blocks on it.
Probably didn't have to go very far though, right?
Huh?
I said you probably didn't go
I
very
did. I had to go like, like 40 feet. All right.
You're right.
So you guys can lift and boom it over this
Yeah.
way?
Mhm.
No shit.
It's not loose.
No.
There it is right there.
Without it drifting back, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then, hey, let's go a strap
I'll just boom all the way out,
around the bottom.
and then I'll just I'll pull the cable in so it doesn't free spool on me.
You run your truck.
Huh?
You run it all the time. I'm good.
No, because I did luckily it was just it wasn't that bad. I picked up some shit and that cable was free spool, and that fucker just boom.
We don't want to do that here.
Yeah, no. It was a brand new truck. But the guy was like, hey, it was, you know those transporters?
Yeah, yeah. If you lower it down, I'll pull it down a little bit.
Yeah.
Lock it in, and then you can raise up and boom in or whatever.
Yeah.
And it'll be.
Right there. So that's the blue one. Blue. Like that,
When
it's,
you go up, it's going to suck in.
yeah.
Just use a strap and tie it. You shouldn't need a ratchet.
So what did they climb up there?
Yeah, they got a ladder on the other side. He'll climb up there.
Okay.
And they've got the holes opened up.
That's why, because it's nose heavy.
Let me lock that white cable too. All right?
Daniel?
You're the owner?
No.
No?
No.
You go to the casino?
No.
No? Let's go spend some money. I thought I seen you at the casino. This one's already sold? Or you're really gonna sell it?
It's already sold.
It's already sold? Oh, okay, nice. That's even better. Right? Yeah. Ready, bro? So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you the cable.
I don't like it. Okay, you're gonna what?
Okay. Yeah, I'll do that after when you let me know. That'll be the white one. Okay. Let me all right. We're in the center. But we need to put some tie downs. Oh, you got them?
Yeah, we got it.
On all the other side too?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Try and just go on each
I'm like right in the center.
Can't come that high.
Yeah, we can. But
Yeah,
don't
I
think
can
it's
lift it
needed
high.
to. I don't think it's needed to. We
Yeah.
want to just go straight up with it, rotate out. We don't.
Man, you only got a few inches, man.
But yeah, we got to worry about the tail too. That's why he's got this.
So it's not in my way. In case we gotta get real close. All right. So pick it up?
You might need to pull down on that a lot. We'll see.
Huh?
That's just too much. It's going to push hard. Let's try that.
Right there?
Yes, sir. I think about right there. You guys ready? We're gonna go.
All right.
We're gonna go
Hey,
up a little
one
bit.
of you guys watch the nose?
You got it.
Somebody else watch the tail?
Ready, guys? Ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Boom.
It ain't nose heavy.
It's not nose heavy.
No.
Hang on, hang on.
Got it.
Let go. Beautiful. We're slack, man.
Yeah.
You going up?
We're not nose heavy.
Good.
So if you want, get back there so you can hold it in case it doesn't slide back. There you go.
Go. A little more.
You want me? It's not nose heavy.
No,
So-
I know.
Boom up.
Boom up.
Yeah, boom up. Nice.
Oh, that's beautiful. Are you holding it? Oh. So now, man, this thing's tail heavy, dude.
Yes. It's gonna slide back.
Tail heavy, man.
Hold on, guys. Hold
Go
on.
sit on the nose. No. Sit up there.
Boom in a little bit. Watch your
Watch your hand. Watch your hand.
Watch your fingers 1 second.
Go up top. You, right here. Where's Kevin? Or hey, Tyler. Jump on the other side on the front skid. Go sit up there.
Much slack. Going back now.
There you go. Perfect. So give me your wallet and then sit on the front skid. Just in
Hold on.
case something goes wrong.
The wallet's the heavy part. It needs to stay up there.
All right, man, let's try it again.
All right, let's go. I'm gonna go boom up. I'm gonna winch up. So we're basically still at a little angle. You want to get centered or
No.
no? Right there.
So, man, I
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Well, you might have to go forward a little. Depends on you.
Going up, guys.
It's still the tail coming down.
Yeah, it's okay. It's all right. We're good.
You good?
We're good. Hold on. That's good. It's good. We're good.
It's good. It's good. It's good.
We're good. Good. So dead center would have been perfect.
Okay.
Go for it.
We're in the air.
Okay, hold on, guys. Hold on. Hold on.
All right.
Hop down.
One at a time,
One
slowly.
at a time. Exactly.
Let's see what it does.
Go ahead.
Give him his hand. Come down.
Leave Tyler on there. That's good.
No, have him come down. No, have him come down. We won't need it. I promise we won't need it.
Huh? I think he needs it. I think we're all right. We're going to go up another 6 inches? What do you think?
We're good.
Well, you don't need to go up. You don't need to go up.
Swing it now?
No, he needs to go up a little bit.
Oh.
The nose went forward. It's not clear no more.
What do you got, Richard?
Okay.
And then rotate over.
All right. How's it look, Richard?
Still in.
We good?
Yeah, we're golden, guys.
Go?
We're golden. We're good. We're good.
You're going to come back or you're going over?
We're going to rotate over in a second.
I might be short, but I'm strong as shit.
Okay. You want to keep going up?
Watch under the boom as it comes through. So you
Yeah.
may have to go up and lower it down.
Yeah.
Is the nose over the front?
Just about.
Yeah, but we got to be careful. Huh? You're over the edge, right? We don't want to come down on that.
Okay, this is what I'd like to do, guys. I'd like to do.
I was thinking about that. Can we bring it over and
We're
down?
gonna
Yeah. Pull your side.
keep going. Keep going. That's what we want. Yep. That's exactly what we want.
Yeah, because the hook rotates. So the hook rotates.
We're good.
Al, walk that way.
Yep. Okay, now rotate. We're good.
I think, right?
Yep, we're good. Just
Okay.
Like that. Just like
Now
that.
you're going to bring it down and bring it through?
No, we're gonna rotate right now. We're not coming down yet. Once we clear the trailer, we'll start coming down.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring the.
Winch down. Winch down.
Huh?
Winch down. Yep, there you go. That's perfect.
I got this one, brother. You want to get ready to grab that?
Boom up.
I'm a little vertically challenged.
We'll bring it this way by booming up.
Huh?
I said we'll bring it this way by booming up. So if we boom up
Okay,
and winch
so-
down at the same time.
You want me to boom up right now?
Yes, sir.
Is the left aft skid clear or no?
Watch the tail. Watch the tail.
No, what I'm saying is that aft skid clear?
Yes.
Then we need to bring you this way.
Oh, hold on. Hold on.
Hold on. Hold on.
Hold on. Boom up. Boom up. Boom up. I'll winch down.
You want a strap for that, Daniel?
No, it's gonna get down into range in just a second. No, we need to keep the tail on
Who's tall over there? Hey, Al, go to the tail. Twist it that way. Yep.
Rotate it.
Richard, pull that. Beautiful. Are you going to come down on the ass? Easy, easy.
Winch down. Winch down.
You got to watch the nose.
No, I got it. I got the nose.
Top of the tail. Yeah, you guys are good. I like it. That's beautiful. Shit, can you bring it all to see me?
Yeah. But where you want it at?
slide these.
Yeah. Nice. That's good.
Time to unwrap the present.
I was gonna steal your bank account.
All right, guys, I didn't want to say nothing to nobody, but this is my plane. This is mine. You notice it's orange.
That's what I told him. I said, I love orange too. Hey, the other one's like a dark grayish black with a teal stripe in it.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
I was wanting to get one of these motherfuckers.
Hold up.
Yeah.
Our plane is here.
Out, man.
Don't fire it up yet. It's not ready to go yet.
Move that over.
You need a knife? A knife?
Yeah.
Hello? It just touched down.
Yeah.
No, we gotta wait. I'll be here at least.
Right. Fuck that container shit forever. This is the way to go.
So what is this for?
If you come in, there's a terror blade right here.
Oh, okay,
Spins around,
yeah.
and it spins around just above this. So if you come in and you tip back, it's like a curb finder. In the car.
Yeah.
So this hits, you can feel it, and it's oh shit, I'm about to take the tail off. So you push forward real quick.
Oh, okay.
Those wheels right there, that's how we move it around. You see the eyes on the back?
Yes.
So these things, just a little hydraulic pump, right? So you pump it up, lift the back of the skids up off the ground about 2 inches,
Yeah.
and then we tug them around because it'll roll.
So how long does it take you guys to get this ready for air?
This will be here in about a month.
For it to get ready, prep?
We got all the blades and all the bullshit.
Yeah.
We got to get the FAA, who are
Yeah.
bastards, to come out and check our work and all the.
And you got to
bullshit.
put fluids. Does it have fluids in it already, or yes?
No, the transmission's empty. The fuel tanks are empty.
So you have to get it all prepped,
The
yeah.
lines have hydraulic fluid and shit.
Yeah.
You guys know hydraulics. You can't ever drain that
Nah.
shit. You know what I mean?
Nah.
So, but you still got to service the reservoirs and shit. But the transmission and engine, and then the main fuel tanks, there's still shit in the lines, but they let you do that when you ship it. But any reservoir has to be emptied, so we got to bleed kind of everything.
Yeah.
You do. It's just like a hydraulic system.
Yeah.
Hey,
Get the ladder, guys. Where's the ladder? Hey, I'll make it fit on my flatbed. I'll make it fit on my flatbed.
5 passenger?
Yeah, 5.
5.
It'll fit.
It's amazing how this little machine costs so much money, huh? Unos tres melones.
Nah,
Sí,
no chingue.
yeah.
Para que chingas, trónele las ligas a las pacas que tiene ahí para que se compre uno. ¿Eh?
Got it? Yeah. Hold it till I pull it all the way up. There you go.
My boy, when are you taking this one for a spin?
We rolling. It's already orange, my boy.
Yeah.
la garra esa, so I can pull the winch cables in. I got it? Watch out, guys. I'm gonna bring the boom down so I can.
Get back.
Well, I'm gonna boom in first.
Oh, you do?
Ready? Pregúntales, güey, yeah. Maybe somewhere.
Taco tiro no meu bairro, taco tiro na minha rua. Esses manos viram minha chapa, minha grana continua. Taco tiro no meu bairro, taco tiro na minha rua. Sua voz tá muito alta, peço que tu diminua. Taco tiro no meu bairro, taco tiro na minha rua. Esses manos viram minha chapa, minha grana continua. Taco tiro no meu bairro, taco tiro na minha rua. Sua voz tá muito alta, peço que tu diminua. Nego não inventa moda porque tu não é estilista. Nego não lança esse trap porque tu não é artista. Nego não pula no bloco que tu vai virar notícia. Nego não peita minha game porque a tropa tá na pista. Eu sou de quem? Sério, eu sou de quem? Junta esses manos que não dá metade dos meus de bem. Tu não é de quem? Tu nem tem uma quem. Se eu pego um dos teus manos eu faço virar refém. Taco tiro no meu bairro, taco tiro na minha rua. Esses manos viram minha tropa, minha grana continua. Taco tiro no meu bairro, taco tiro na minha rua. Sua voz tá muito alta, peço que tu diminua. tiro na minha rua. Sua voz tá muito alta, excesso que tu diminua.
Festa regada, pega na boca, botar na minha conta. Festa regada é piranha, bebida e maconha. Desce, puxa o bonde ao trem. Gelo no meu copo, amém. Tô contando as de 100, invejoso nem vem. Hoje eu faço chover.